This video is brought to you by EASYBET. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T&Cs apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, AmaZulu 0. I'm joined by the coach of the century.
It's Stivo.
He's the best coach.
Number one, Stivo. Stivo, I'm going to give me out here.
Sure.
AmaZulu versus Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yes, coach.
You see, well, for me, I saw AmaZulu playing a back five with wing backs.
Yes.
Meaning, for me, I thought they were going to be defensive.
Yes.
But it's a team that was well coached. They understood their roles because we looked at the chances that they've created in the first half. Yeah. But if you look at all those chances were coming on the left side of Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yes.
Not because Divine Nunga was playing bad, but because always AmaZulu was looking for a third man run. Yeah. Which it worked very well, but they couldn't take their chances. Because I saw them starting, I think the opening chance was on the 22nd minute. Yeah. And then the other one happened on the 28th. Yeah. Again on the same position. You see, I'm not the one to say because AmaZulu was playing well, it means Sundowns was playing bad. I think we need to start moving away from that. When are we going to start giving credit to the other teams? Yeah. Sundowns have been playing their game, but maybe the teams are starting to up their level. So for me, I'm going to give it to AmaZulu first half. Yeah. First half for me was for AmaZulu. They could have went maybe one up. For Downs game. Yeah, because I think on the 20th minute, Rowan Williams sitting down, helping the coach to come and coach his players. Yeah. That tells you already, or tactically, AmaZulu might be winning the game match. Yeah. But it goes to to the second half, Stivo. We see the first subs with Divine Nunga being substituted and then Litlaku as well. Yeah. For me, Stivo, I don't think we will see the best of Litlaku as long as he plays as a half-10. Play the boy on the left side. Or play him straight on the side, and then he will come and cut in. Yeah. But if you're going to play him as a half-10, you're not going to see the best of him. Look at all the chances that he had is because he had space. Yeah. So as a half-10, you need to really create space, unlike you getting the space open, you see.
What's a half-10?
So a half-10 is a winger that plays in between the lines. With Litlaku, the best for him is when he's on the side. Yeah, taking the space and then cutting inside. Okay, I'll try. You see, so you see, Stivo, not to drag it. I think for me, my man of the match at first it was Allende. Yes. But then second half, Sales is Stivo. The windows he broke, Stivo. Yeah. There's so many things that we can go on about, and you see Stivo. But you will also give it to who's this? I say it too. Yeah, so we'll also give it to the coach. Yes. I mean, the coach made subs, and then after making the subs, Sundowns comes back and scores 2 goals as we are busy with the interview. Yes. And it goes back to Sundowns' first goal. Still, the third man run again. Sales to Chipa Bolo. Yeah. Matthews just has it. Reina Supasa. Ned. Yeah. You see, so I think, like I said, Cardoso is a tactical coach, very smart coach. Yeah. As much as Umangeta had his team well penned, I think second half it could have went outclassed, but still AmaZulu created chances where they could have scored. Yeah. I mean, they've missed one-on-ones. They missed open nets for me. XTN. It could have ended either way because if Sundowns scores, you score. It's 1-1. Yeah. You get another chance. You see, so congrats to Mamelodi Sundowns for winning it. Stivo, for me, second half, man of the match, Sales. Yes. Sundowns, well deserved. Yeah. On the second half, I think the tactical plan of the coach really worked out.
I'm explaining a third man run fast, the coach.
So a third man run, Stivo, we're looking for Stivo. Yeah. But we don't pass Stivo the ball. We pass Yola. Yeah. Stivo keeps moving. Yeah. We know the end goal is to get Steve. So we pass Yola first. Yeah. And then Yola then pass it over. Yeah. So in closing, Stivo, what I loved about AmaZulu, they allowed Sundowns to hold the ball where it won't hurt them. Yeah. So they closed all the passing lanes which they will attack. That happened where in the first half, but we saw Sales coming in, playing as a second 10. Yeah. It changed the whole game, Stivo. Not to drag it long, Stivo, again, for me, Sales my man of the match. Yeah. And then congrats to Mamelodi Sundowns.
Thank you, coach. I will like